Hello and welcome. In this episode we're going to make a bottle of milk.
So step one, get 2.5 scoops of milk powder into water. Just quickly give it a stir. Have the kettle boiling, so it will be hot water as well. There's a bit of cold water mixed in there just to start it up. Now we get our hot water. Okay, just added the hot water there. If the kettle's still boiling because you want more hot water, we pour all of that back in. So we're currently here. You have to get all the way up to here, so we're going to add some hot water and dilute it. So we want 2.5 litres. Okay, now with a clean finger we put it in. Yep, it's not too hot, not too cold. Perfect. Oh yes. Go on, give it a good suck. Where's my bottle? What do you think, Toffee? I'm afraid you have to wait. Only have one bottle. I know. Go on, stick your tongue out again. This is Nick. Big brown lad. With a white blaze on his head. Go on, drink it. Oh yes, give it a good suck. Oh, there's a little diamond on the top of his back. Look at those eyelashes. Oh, and there's a little flick of the tail there, look. Oh, he's happy, he's happy. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Go on, give us a good suck. Well done. That was fast. Down the hatch. Okay, bye lads. I have work to do. See you later.